Hello guys, welcome to the database course. This is Faisal Khan. In this course, I want to tell you guys about the database in DBMS, Database Management System. In the first lecture, we are going to focus on the database and what is database. Database is an organized collection of related data, and data is collection of facts and figures that can be processed to produce information. Mostly data represent recordable facts. Data is in producing information, which is based on facts. For example, if we have data about marks obtained by all students, we can then conclude about toppers' average and also about the toppers. Here the question is that what is database? Database, as from its name, it's obviously shown that it is data. In the database is the place that our data is stored in a forum, in an organized collection that is related to each other. The related data means that our data which is in the database, it is an organized forum and also related to each other, means our data have relation between each other. So what is data? The data is a collection of facts and figures that can be processed to produce information. Everything has data. Therefore, we can make or create databases for everything. Database is not something just as we said like for toppers or average marks. Database can be usable for everything. It can be used for everything, can be created for everything. From shop to the business, from school to university, and from university to the universe. We can have database for every and each things. So, briefly, I can say that database is an organized collection of related data, and data is collection of facts and figures. Data is something that is stored in database, and this contextualization, if we say about the context, the data must be in an organized form in a database and must be related to each other. So this combination is called a database. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for listening and watching. We will see next videos with next lessons.